So number system, what we discussed previous classes and all. So today we are going to learn, identify the parts of real number system. That means rational numbers and irrational numbers. Classify the numbers as a rational and irrational. We have in 8th grade rational numbers. So today we are learning rational numbers, I like to revise, and as well as new topic, irrational numbers. So as well as we are going to divide rational and irrational also. Now our first chapter is number system. So number system divide into these many parts: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Clear, children? Now first, natural numbers. From 6th grade onwards you are learning, just I want revise once. Natural numbers were the first to come. They are denoted by n. These numbers can be counted in figures. 1, 2, 3. So whatever counting numbers are called natural numbers. Clear, children? Next. So the second one, whole numbers. The Aryabhatta, famous mathematician, gives 0 to the number system. It is very powerful number. Anything multiplied by 0 becomes 0, because we know that 0 into anything is 0. This is new number 0. When added to the natural numbers, gave a new set of numbers are called whole numbers. Example, natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole number starting from 0. That means 0 added to natural numbers is called whole. Now it has all natural numbers plus 0. Note that whole numbers has only positive numbers. All natural numbers were whole numbers, but the reverse is not true. They are saying that all natural numbers are whole numbers, but whole numbers not the natural numbers, because whole numbers are 0 also added, but natural number 0 is not there. Is clear, children? Please show thumb up. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. No need to just show the thumb. Next, children. So the red color, natural numbers like starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the natural numbers. Whole numbers means starting from 0 to 9. Clear? So that means all natural numbers inside the whole. Next, integers. Integers are natural numbers, whole numbers together, either positive numbers and negative numbers with 0. The given diagram indicates all integers. One more. So here all, like I given one color to that positive numbers, one color to the negative numbers and 0. Integers means natural numbers, whole numbers together called. Clear? Shifali, understand? Next, thank you. Now listing the sets of rational numbers. These are all infinite set of numbers. Integers is equal to, integers are denoted by Z or Z. So -3, -2, -1 and so on. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and natural numbers 1. What we learn still now. Okay, these 3 are from previous classes only. Now today our topic, what are rational numbers? So we know that all numbers including natural numbers, all numbers including natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So previously we learned natural, whole numbers, integers. These 3 numbers together is called rational numbers. It means a number of the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Generally we can give our own definition. Any number we can express in p by q form. For example, 2 is there. So for example, 2 is there. 2 is equal, we can write 4 by 2. So if you cancellation, you'll get same answer. But we are writing P by Q. 4 is called P, 2 is called Q. P by Q, any number we can write in P by Q form. Any number you can express in fractional form generally. Fractions are positive. Rational numbers means positive and negative together are there. Go to here, third point. Here P and Q are both are integers. Integers means either plus or minus, both. For example, minus 5 by 6, 11 by 5, 2 by 15, etc. So, now, rational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, clear. The rational numbers, all integers, all together, either green box, red, and all. Clear. Rational numbers means natural numbers also there, whole numbers also there, integers also there. So negative and positive rational numbers. If P and Q both are positive, the rational number is positive. For example, 7 by 8. 7 is also positive, 8 also positive. 56 by 145. 56 also positive, 145 also positive. So P and Q both are positive. The rational numbers also positive. The given rational number also positive. If P and Q both are negative, the rational number be positive, because example, minus 56 by minus 65. Minus cancel. Yes or no? You'll get positive answer only. Clear, children? Means both also positive, both also negative, also positive only. Now, if any one of P or Q is negative, one number is negative, the rational number is negative. For example, 98 by minus 5. Okay, here denominator minus 5 is there, but plus by minus. Here one number is minus, no? So total rational number is called minus. Is it clear? Yes, children? Yeah, thank you. So rational numbers, any number we can express in P by Q form. So rational numbers means all natural whole integers. Now both are P by Q. P and Q both are positive, rational number also positive. P and Q both are negative, rational number also positive, because minus cancel. Now if either P or Q, any one is negative, the rational number is next. 0 as a rational number. 0 divided by any integer results in the rational number is 0. 0 divided by any integer. Generally we know that 0 by anything is 0. 0 into anything is yes or no? Now, so 0 can be written in the form of P by Q. 0 is also a rational, 0 also a rational number. So for example, 0 by 11, 0 by minus 8, 0 by 8, whatever, either denominator you are writing negative value or positive value. 0 also we can express as rational numbers.
Sir, but the answer will be the same only, 0, 0, 0.
Yeah, no problem. 0 also no problem, because previously I wrote 2, 4 by 2 we can write. 4 by 2 means 2. For example, 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means 10 divided by 5. If you cancel that 5 1s, 5 2s, 2 only, no? Answer will get 2, 2, 2 only. but we can express in P by Q form. Yes, clear doubt? Yes. Now, observe this diagram. Natural
Your voice is
numbers.
cutting.
My voice? Okay. Observe here, children. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. So that means all, observe, this is important diagram, children. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay. Whole numbers is not rational, natural numbers. Okay. Whole numbers are not a natural numbers. Towards back, everything is possible. Natural numbers are whole numbers. Natural numbers are integers. Natural numbers are rational numbers is possible. Yes? Understand? Please. Rational numbers clear, children? Any doubt? You can ask now. I'll go to next one.
No, sir. So can you repeat?
Yes.
You were not audible to me.
Now clear? Shifali, now clear?
Yes, sir.
Now mute
Yes.
yourself. I'll explain again. Natural numbers are whole numbers. The small circle is there, the natural numbers. Natural numbers, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay. Again, natural numbers are integers toward back. Okay, one by one we can go back. Natural numbers are whole numbers. Natural numbers are integers. Natural numbers are rational numbers. But towards back to front is not possible. All rational numbers, not integers. Because rational numbers means decimals also there, fractions also there, negative, all numbers are there. Here, I'll show you one more here, back. Observe this. Here, natural numbers is one limited part. Like, okay, now, infinite only, but one part. Whole numbers starting, including 0. Integers all. Rational numbers means all together. Natural, whole, and integers. Shifali? Now all of you open your textbook like or what you are downloaded. Chapter 1, exercise 1, 1.1. Do you have PDF? Children, somebody mute children, please. It's coming disturbance.
Open, sir.
Open?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, exercise 1.1. Read first question. Aditya, can you read that question once?
Okay, sir. I'll read, sir.
Yes.
I have to find 1.1. So big.
Yeah, in a screen also you can read, no problem.
Sir, can I read?
Yeah, who is?
Ma'am, it's me, Husna.
Sir,
Yeah,
is
please
Q
read.
a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0?
Q not equal to 0, denominator not equal to 0. Denominator if 0 means undefined. We cannot define the number.
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
children? Just write answer in your book. Please copy that exercise 1 first question. Again, just copy. This is the solution for exercise 1. First sum. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes. Please copy that. Yes, 0 is a rational number. We can write in the form of 0 by anything is 0 or not. That's why 0 by 2, 0 by 9, 0 by 7,000, whatever you can write, no problem. This is 1 mark question.
Sir, can I take screenshot?
Yes. Laksh? Laksh? Please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give the answer. One example, you give it. Like,
Which example, sir?
sorry, say loudly.
What example, sir?
The question number one answer. For example, I given you 0 by 2, 0 by 9, 0 by 7,000. Like that one small example. Yeah, you can write Laksh, you can write 0 by anything, 0 by 10, 11, 0 by 12, 0 by 13, 0 by 14.
10,
Yes?
0 by 10, 0 by 11,
Ah,
0 by 12,
hmm,
0 by 13.
hmm. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Now, mute yourself.
Answer.
Copy, children.
Yes, sir.
And now, thank you. Next. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4.
LCM.
6 rational numbers, because 8th grade we did. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 3 we can express in generally 3 by 1. Yes or no, children? 3 by 1. So I want 6 rational numbers, means I divide and multiply and divided by 7 I took. You can take 10 also, no problem. Copy this also. Copied? Aditya, copied? Please copy that. Exercise 1, question number 2.
The solution also.
Yes, solution also. This is no need. Sorry. This line no need. Just directly copy. N is rational number. 3 is equal to 3 by 1. 7 by 7. 21 by 7. 4 is equal to 4 by 1.
Answer.
Answer.
So 21 by 7, 28 by 7. That means 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 20. You can write because 3 is there. If you want to multiply and divide 3 by 1, 10 by into 10 by 10 also you can write 30 by 10. Yes or no? You can take any example, no problem. I took just 7, you can take anything. Next.
Sir, I
Sir,
didn't understand this.
if it says 6, find 6 rational numbers, so can we do it like 3 by 1 into 6 by 6?
Yes,
If
yes.
we have to find 6 rational numbers.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Who is that?
sir, I'm Tarun.
Yeah, Tarun.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. N value means the number of rational numbers we have to find, right?
No, just I'm saying example that I said, that's why previously these 2 lines no need, just a given like, okay. You go to 3 only, from solution you can write 3 is equal to 3 by 1 into 7 by 7 like that.
Yeah.
Clear, clear Tarun?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Please, any doubt? Ask me now. Shall I go to next one?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, question number 3. Find 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. One by 4 and 1 by 2. Please copy the question.
Sir,
Step 1. Yes, Usna.
sir, I have different question in Sidra's textbook, sir. She gave me a textbook, so in this I have find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5.
Okay. Leave it now. Just copy this question. For example, take like example. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Just copy this sum. Do it textbook sum next.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Take as example. Here I given you 1 by 4, and here 1 by 2. Now 1 by 4 here denominator 4, here denominator 2. So denominator 4 same. Denominator 2 I convert into multiply and divided by 2 and 2 is equal to 2 by 4. So 1 by 4, 2 by 4, there is nothing. There is no rational number between that. That's why again I'm multiplying here. Step 2, multiply and divided by 4. Multiply and divided by 4.
So we can
So
also
four-
do by 10 by 10 and all, right?
Yeah. You can. Continue. Complete the sum, children. Complete. Please complete. All done? Carney, please respond.
Done, sir.
Good. Latisha completed.
Done, sir.
Ishita completed.
Yes, sir.
Badri.
Done, sir.
Badri Amma.
Done, sir.
Okay. Right.
Done, sir.
Gibson done?
Yes, sir.
Good. Mute yourself. Aditya, you also mute. Next children,
Sir?
last. Yes?
Sir, can you explain this, sir, again?
Okay. Here, given question 1 by 4 is there. So here 1 by 2 is there. Clear? So 1 by 4 here, denominator 4 is there. Here denominator 2 is there. So first step 1, make the denominator same. Denominator same. Here 4 is there, 2 is there. You can take LCM. Either this is a small sum. That's why you can multiply with 2 also. 1 by 2. So numerator and the denominator multiplied by 2 and 2. So now 1 by 2, I'm converting like a denominator 4. That means 2 by 4. The given question 1 by 4, 2 by 4. Step 2. Since we needed to find the 3 rational numbers, we are multiplying and divide by 4 because I'm writing 3 rational numbers means I'm taking small number. If you want to take 10 rational numbers, multiply by 10 into 10 whatever. So 1 by 4. So the given fraction multiply and divided by 4. And 2 by 4. 4 by 4 also. So first one, 1 by 4, if you multiply numerator into numerator, 1 into 4, 4. 4, 4, 16. Here 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 4, 16. So here 4 by 16, 8 by 6. Between 4 and 8, 5 by, because after that, 4 by 16 after, 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16 like that are there. Yes, Josna, sorry. Josna, clear?
Yes, I got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, next, question number 4 from textbook. State whether, just write in textbook only like what you have print out, there only write answers. Okay? If you don't have, just copy the answers. Later you can.
Yes,
State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answers. First question number 1, children. Every natural number is a whole number.
True, sir.
Yes or no, children? Because every natural number is a whole number.
Yes, sir.
Next.
No, sir.
Huh? Yeah.
Every
Second is
rational
no,
number.
sir.
Yeah. Now, second, every integer is a whole number.
False,
Because
sir.
False, sir.
integers.
False.
Yeah.
False, sir.
Very good, very good. Mohit, please mute yourself. I'll ask you until wait, okay?
Yes, sir.
All of you mute yourself. If you understand, just show your thumb now. Again, I'm getting disturbance. Please.
Yes, sir.
Now, every integer is a whole number. Is a false. Now, every rational number is a whole number. Now, Mohit, now explain. Mohit, explain now.
Sir, every rational number is a whole number, sir. That is false. Because in whole numbers we consider a 0 to infinite. In the rational numbers, we consider the integers, whole numbers, and the natural numbers.
Okay, good. Natural numbers is nothing but alra. Okay. Now, children, rational numbers. Here, I give an example. 1 by 2 is there. Fractional form. Fraction. Yes. So, fraction is not a whole number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, yes. Now, exercise 1 clear, all of you? Shivang? Where is Divya? Divya, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Shainavi? Shainavi, Saumita,
Yes,
Aditi?
sir. Yes, sir.
Supradeep? Yes. Good. So this is the rational numbers. Okay. Once we go back here, like this is the question number 4 is related to like this: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Towards back, everything is possible. Natural to whole is possible. Okay. Whole to integers is possible. Integers to rational numbers is possible. All rational numbers not integers. All integers not whole numbers. All whole numbers not like that. Now, okay, children, I think I'll continue that next class. Rational numbers. From rational numbers, we have less time. Now, from rational numbers, do you have any doubt? Please ask now.
Sir, can you go back to the last slide of rational numbers?
This one, okay? Or previous
sir.
one?
Sir, previous one, sir. Previous one.
Okay.
Third one.
Circle one, sir.
Sir, so every whole number is an integer, right?
Yes.
So from back to zero.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. I think just 5-6 minutes are there. I'll continue now. Now, rational numbers.
Sir,
Yes.
one doubt, sir. Sir,
Yes,
are
yes,
decimals also rational numbers?
Yes, decimals also rational number because 2.5, we can write 25 by 10. Yes or no? You remove decimal point, writing 0 down. Yes or no? 25 by 10. Yes? I'm writing here. For example, 2.5. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's clear 2.5 decimals, okay now?
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, next, irrational numbers. Very simple, children. So, rational numbers, we know that. For example, here, root 1 is equal to 1. From 8th grade, we learn square and square root chapter. Yes or no? Root 2, can we express like anything? No. Go to root 4. Root 4 is nothing but, what is the root 4 value?
2, sir.
Very good. Root 4 value 2. So root 5 value?
Nothing, sir.
So root 5 1. So if you take root 9 value,
3.
what is the root 9 value?
3, sir.
3.
Yeah, root 9 value 3, like that. Because root 1, 1, root 4 is 2, root 9 is 3. Like we have root 16. Root 16
Four,
is
sir.
equal to how much, children?
4,
Very
sir.
good.
4.
Sir.
Yeah,
4.
4.
yeah, very good. 4. So few numbers we can express like whole number, like rational number. Because root 5 we cannot express in P by Q form. Clear? So any number we cannot, like which number we cannot, like whatever, children. Rational numbers we are saying any number we can express in P by Q form. We cannot express in P by Q form is called irrational numbers. Now go to, okay. So irrational numbers are any number that cannot be expressed as a quotient of two integers. That quotient of two integers means fractional form. For example, P by Q form. Clear? And one more also. For example, root 2. Root 2 we cannot express in any form. Root 2, 1. Yes. Root 30. We can express. Root 30 is a perfect square number? No. Now go to here, children. You'll get clarify that. -1. Here, children, I will give you one more here. Just see natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural whole together integers. All natural whole integers together rational. Irrational is a separate. Irrational is a separate. So rational and irrational together is called real numbers. Rational and irrational together is called real numbers. Number system. Yeah, we are learning number system. Number system.
Slide.
Yes.
So can you
Yeah,
please
yeah.
solve?
Sorry. Say again.
Sir, can you show the previous slide?
This one.
Not the one after it. The blue one, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Oh,
The blue.
this one.
Yeah.
Coming. Wait. Coming, children. Because once if you get clarity this, I'll come here. Now, observe here, children. So -1. -1 first is a -1 first. What you will say? First integer.
Integer, sir.
Integer, sir. So, yes. We can call rational real also. Now go to 3. This is the positive number. Yes. So it is a natural number, whole coming from back. Natural number, whole number, integer, rational and real also. Root 17 we can express in P by Q form. Is it perfect square?
No, sir.
No. That's
No,
why
sir.
that's why it is an irrational number. Because observe here, children, every number is real. Every number is a real number. There is no doubt.
So that means
Every number
every
is
number
a
is a real number.
yes. But here root 17 we cannot express in the perfect square. That's why rational. 3 by 8 rational. 0 rational, real, integer and whole. It's not a natural number. 0 is not a natural number. Yes.
Yes.
Last -5.555. It's a we can express in fractional form. Yes, value. So rational and real. So what I'm saying from here, all numbers are real numbers. All numbers are real numbers. So and rational and irrational separate.